Hi, hello. So this is the Market Issues Analysis Dashboard project. This is a Python-based data analysis application built with StreamLit. It, it analyzes thousands of uh, data sets of product complaints and helps identify patterns in customer issues across different models and features. So this is the main purpose. Let me show you the architecture. So this is the overview of the architecture. This app is organized in modules. This is the main application file. Okay. Um, this is the settings file. And the main application is importing from this folder, the source folder, 4 key modules to use in the main application. So the data loader first loads the file. The user goes into the application, uploads a CSV file with the data set, and it goes first to this data loader file. So it's responsible for loading and validation. And then it goes to the data processor file. This one cleans and extracts the features and the real main data that we are going to use. And then it goes to analysis file. And this one makes all the aggregation and filtering. The main functions are in this file. And then it feeds the visualization file, which has functions that go straight to the interface. So this is the main structure. Let's see a little bit of how the analyses are structured into this application. So for example, this analyze by model function here. This function uses Panda to use the group by for aggregation here. So it groups by model, by number of comments, and complaint count. It calculates average percentages to create this statistic table. So group by is a powerful tool for data aggregation though. So in this, in all of the functions in this file use group by. I'm seeing, and after this, it goes to the visualization file. And in this one, I used Plotly to create the charts. So this was one thing I learned with this project to use Plotly. And it was a really interesting experience because this all of these functions here is inside the visualization file use Plotly to create interactive charts. So for example, the first one, oops, okay, open the room. The first one, this function create bar chart. We pass the data that we need to feed into that chart and information like title and axis, X and Y axis to organize the chart. And then it fills with data that we received from the analysis file. And it returns a figure, an interactive figure that StreamLit displays. Let's see how it works live. So this is the main interface. We have the control panel where we upload the files, and we have the main panel at the right. So let's upload the file. This is a mock data set. I created one similar to the one I use at my work because I currently work with data analysis. I analyze on a daily basis complaints from market, from users. So I have to filter by model, by feature, and other information. So I created a very similar raw data that I use in my daily basis at work. Keep the file loaded and process it. So the purpose of this dashboard is to answer two questions. The first question for me is, what is the model with more complaints? The model with more complaints. So out of the 1,500 rows of this data set, it is counting the most common model and showing here the top product model. So Galaxy Flip 4 has 80 complaints. So it's the most mentioned model. And the most common issue is also an important question. What is the most common issue present in these models? So it returns here and here the answer to the first question. The second question is, what is the most common problem in those models? So it's really important to be able to see what exactly is wrong with those models, not only not the amount, the count. So here we can see the number of complaints, right? But here we can see this in more detail. I can choose a model. Let's say Galaxy Watch 6. And I can see the total complaints and I can see the breakdown. So I see that audio is the main problem with this model. And it helps me to take actions if I can see the top 5 problems in those models. And this table here shows the percentages, so it's really nice. It's really useful. So that's what this project, this dashboard is about. Thank you.